Welcome to Expense6 Corporate. Expense6 Corporate is a platform designed to simplify your business expenses, specifically focusing on managing claims and reimbursements. Signing up costs just $19.80. To get started, visit expense6.com, click on Corporate, and then select Create Company Account. You will be redirected to the sign-up screen where you'll need to enter your email address, I'll add mine now, along with your company details. Select your preferred currency and country, and then hit Sign Up. You will receive an email containing an OTP. Enter that OTP into the prompt. Next, assign a secure 4-digit PIN. Re-enter the PIN to confirm, and then click Complete. Now we move on to purchasing and subscribing to your package. The starting price for 20 seats is $19.80. You can easily request additional seats from within the app as needed. Let's proceed by clicking Confirm and Subscribe. On this screen, add your credit card details.
Now go to the sign-in page, add your email and PIN that you already set up.
Adding users and user groups. Next, we will begin setting up your company. You will see a prompt to add users, which is the first step we need to take. Navigate to Users and Payments and click on Add Users. Before doing this, ensure you have a list of the employees you want to add, including their names and email addresses. If they haven't installed Expense6 yet, you can use either their company or personal email addresses. Let's add our first user by clicking Add Users. We'll enter the name Peter, provide his email address, and set up a PIN for him. Next, we can assign him to a user group. Since we haven't created any groups yet, we'll create one for the sales team right now. Type Sales Team as the user group and click Add. Now select Sales Team from the drop-down, assign his role as a normal user, and click to create and activate the member. We'll quickly add a few more users using this exact same process. Creating work zones and expense categories. The next phase of setup involves creating operating departments or teams. In Expense6, these are called work zones, which you can access from the Work Zone tab. Here, you can create a dedicated work zone for any department, team, or project. Let's create a new one called Sales Team. The default currency is already set, so we just need to pick an identifying color. Let's go with green. Finally, select the work zone type. We'll choose Employee Expense Work Zone and click Next. On this screen, we choose the relevant expense categories to include. Since this is for the sales team, we'll select the most applicable options. If a required category is missing, simply click Create New, type the category name, like Other Expenses, select a matching icon, and click Create. The new category will immediately appear on your list. You can easily remove any unnecessary categories by clicking the X mark next to them. While you can always add more categories later, keep in mind that users can only see and select the categories you explicitly define here. They cannot create their own, so choose these carefully. Once finished, save the expense categories to move on to the income categories. We'll add just one income category for now. Click Save Income Categories and proceed. The final step is assigning users to this new work zone. We can filter by the user groups we previously built. We'll select our sales team group to pull up all the associated employees. Let's add Peter, Rebecca, and Sean to the work zone. You'll notice a toggle next to their names labeled Needs Approval. By default, all employee expenses require admin oversight. However, if a user doesn't require oversight, you can simply uncheck this box. Let's uncheck Sean so his expenses are auto-approved, but leave the approval requirement active for Rebecca and Peter. You can also remove a user from the zone entirely by clicking the X mark next to their name. To wrap up, click Save Users and Finish. Your work zone is now successfully created. Any employee registered with the email addresses you provided will immediately see this new work zone available within their Expense6 mobile app.
Setting up budgets.